Chandra. నేను చూపించుకోలేదా? Seriously.
Hey,
Andy.
hey, hi. Guys need to turn on your camera. All of you, please turn on your camera. Yeah,
1 second, please.
yeah. Hi.
Oh, you can? Can I have some water? Can I have it? Yeah, but get you on the glass.
Hello.
Water.
Hi.
Water.
Hi, Kishore. Hi, Meghna.
Thank you.
I'll review. Cool. Let's get started in like 5 minutes, okay? Let everyone join.
Oh, you're a host. Nice.
Okay. We have, yeah, please turn on your cameras.
Hi.
Hi.
Take out my background. Is that okay?
Lata and Navya, please turn on your cameras. Okay. Okay. And Navya. Okay. So let's get started in like 2 minutes, okay? I think it's the first time. Let's give 2 minutes more. Oh, in the meantime, just try to stretch yourself, loosen up. Yeah, just try to loosen up.
Mahesh. Wait, Meenu is not.
Okay. First exercise, let's do. You guys can hear me?
Yes.
Thumbs up. See me, right? Okay.
Yes.
Okay. First exercise, we'll do jumping jacks. Okay. Jumping jacks. Basically, we're going to count 1, 2, 3. Okay, and that's counted as 1. Let me show you how it is done. Okay. Okay. So jumping jacks. Okay. Yeah. Jumping jacks like this. 1, 2, 3, 1, 1, 2, 3, 2, 1, 2, 3, 3, and then we got to do 20. Okay, let's start. 3, 2, 1, go. 1, 2, 3, 1, 1, 2, 3, 2, 1, 2, 3, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 5, 1, 2, 3, 6, 1, 2, 3, 7, 1, 2, 3, 8, 1, 2, 3, 9, 1, 2, 3, 10, 1, 2, 3, 11, 1, 2, 3, 12, 1, 2, 3, 13, 1, 2, 3, 14, 1, 2, 3, 15, 1, 2, 3, 16, 1, 2, 3, 17, 1, 2, 3, 18, 1, 2, 3, 19, 1, 2, 3, 20. So any exercise you're unable to perform, try to do a modified version. What I would say is, if any modified version, let's say you cannot jump or something, try to do it in place, but do not stop. Okay. Second one is high knees. High knees you can do it in 2 ways: either jump or just lift the knee like this. So anyone wants to do a modified version, just do lifting like this. Okay. 3, 2, 1, go. 1, 2, 3, 1, 1, 2, 3, 2, 1, 2, 3, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 5, 1, 2, 3, 6, 1, 2, 3, 7, 1, 2, 3, 8, 1, 2, 3, 9, 2, 3, 10, 1, 2, 3, 11, 2, 3, 12, 1, 2, 3, 14, 2, 3, 15, 1, 2, 3, 16, 1, 2, 3, 17, 1, 18, 1, 3, 19, 3, 20. So is it recording? So basically, first exercise is like a pre-warm up, just loosened up. The first exercise is called butt kick crossover. It's a dynamic stretching. So basically what we do is keep your legs apart. So if you guys have any question, you can stop by and ask me. So basically butt kick is left. So basically the way we do is like this. So basically your legs go on the top and then your hands alternately crosses. So let me do that once. Okay, 3, 2, 1, go. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So that way we can do for at least 20 of them. Okay? 3, 2, 1, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So that's butt kick crossover. Opposite toe touch. So next we're going to do is both your arms up and we're going to do opposite toe touch. Basically go to your opposite toe touch, come back, again keep repeating that. So let's go. 3, 2, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Okay? Okay. Next one is reverse lunge reach. So it's slightly a complex move. All you got to do is spread your leg a little bit, go back. Yeah. So you go back and stretch yourself like this. So basically, it's both your lower body and your upper body gets the required stretch. So this is one. So basically, the leg that you're going to go down, opposite leg, you're going to do the reach. Okay, this is one. Come back and do the other leg and do the stretch. Okay, it's basically your hip, your back, your upper body, lower body, everything gets stretched. It's a little bit of complex move. It's one of the dynamic stretching, but it does a complete body stretching. Okay, any questions? Okay, we can go. Yeah.
Sir, knee all the way down, or is it okay? Can I
Yeah,
keep
you
it?
can. You don't need to go. If you want a modified version, you can just go as low as possible. You don't need to go complete lunge. You don't need to go lunge. So as little bit low and stretch as much as you can be halfway here, but do your stretch. Upper body and lower body both gets. And the same way here. You don't need to go all the way down. If you can, just go all the way down.
Okay.
Okay. Okay. Let's start at 3, 2, 1, go. 1, 2. If you want some more resistance also, you can use weights. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Make sure you don't hit your knee to the floor. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. Okay? So, sir, next one is? Huh? No, after this. Water. So next one is either run at the same place or skip. Okay? You can either do skipping at the same place or running. Okay? Let's start this for at least 20 seconds. Okay? 30 seconds we got to do this. Okay? 3, 2, 1, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. So basically your body is warm up now. If you want to take a quick water break or something, just go ahead and do that before we can start the mobility. So this is warm up. Second part is mobility. Basically what mobility does is before you do the actual circuit or lift weights, right? So mobility actually helps stretch those muscles in case you need to lift the weights and do your exercise. You don't want to have any spam, or you don't want any of those issues. For that, you want to do the mobility exercise. So today we're going to be doing full body, that's upper body, lower body, and some of the core exercise. Core exercise, when I say it's focused on your abs. Okay. So let's get started on the mobility. Mobility are not, they're more on the stretch side. So the first one is inchworm. So inchworm you can do two ways. Basically, you go up, stretch your hand, then touch your toe, and keep going forward. And for beginners, you can come back in the same way and then go back. Let's say if you're a little bit advanced, you want, all you want to do is a little bit of a push up. Push up, stretch, and then back. So there's two exercises. So basically, go down slowly. You got to go slowly. It's like an inchworm. You got to inch yourself up, push up, stretch, and back. This is for advanced. If you want as a beginner, just go slowly. As much as you can stretch, take a pause, and then come back again, and then stretch back again. That's basically what it does is stretch on your lower body, your back muscles, and your front muscles, and your arms and shoulders. So basically, it's a complete stretch of your upper body and your back. Okay? We'll do this for 30 seconds. Okay? Or at least 10 counts, I would say. Let's do 10 counts instead of 30 seconds. Any questions? Okay, let's get started. 3, 2, 1, go. 1. 2. 3. 4. 5. 6. 7. 8. 9. And the last one. 10. Okay. Okay. The second exercise is in the same lines. All you're going to do is you're going to focus on your back. It's nothing but stationary. It's downward dog. So basically, you stretch your hands up, go down, right? Spread your legs and push yourself up as much as possible and stay in that position until count until 20. That's basically, don't lift your knee, right? Don't lift your knee. There's some little bit workout on your calf muscle too. As much as can, don't lift your knee. So basically, count till 20. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Okay? Rest yourself. The same way you need to do downward dog into upward dog.
So let's say in any of these exercises, let's say you cannot hold your knee up or something, you can rest your knee. Okay. And the upward dog, stretch yourself. So basically, put your body flat and then raise it. So basically, you need to feel the muscle here on your back. So hold that also on 20. Good. 20. Count 21, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Okay. So you can start to feel your back muscle actually. Okay. The next mobility exercise is in the same position. Put one leg in the front. Okay. Yep. The same leg that you put in the front. Use the hand and stretch on the top. Right. Go basically lower here and stretch on the top. And then you can switch the legs to the opposite leg and do the same thing on the other side as well. Stretch it. Basically, you should be able to see your hand on the top. Fast, do it slowly. Quality over quantity. So basically, if you go, you should be able to see your hand on the top, and you can feel your back stretched. Let's do one more. And so this was part of the mobility. So next we're going to start with our circuit. If you want to take a break, drink some water, go ahead and do that. Then we're going to start the circuit next. And it would be good if everyone can turn on the camera. Yeah. Yeah, please turn on the camera. Okay. 30 seconds more. If you have dumbbells or water bottles, please pick them up. For this next round, you might want to have at least 2 dumbbells, I would say, or 2 water bottles, whatever weight you may have. Use them at home. Yeah.
Yes, I'm having this one.
Yeah. Okay, we'll start in 30 seconds. Okay, let's start the circuit. Okay, there's 4 parts to the circuit. Let me show that first, and then we can. I'll also work out as it goes. Okay, first one is bent over row. So basically, what we do for bent over row is take your dumbbells. So basically, you stand, put your legs apart, and then a little bit bent, and use your dumbbells, and this is bent over row. So basically, what this helps you focus on your back and also your upper arm, your upper body. Okay. So this is the first exercise, bent over row. The second one is called. Second one is goblet squat. Okay. Basically, what is goblet squat is? You hold either a water bottle or your dumbbell in the front, and you go down. So basically, this is how you do it. This is called goblet squat. Okay. If you're unable to go all the way down, maybe you can do a little bit. Don't need to worry about that. Even including the other one, if let's say the bent over row, you're unable to put it back, just do as much as you can. If you want to reduce the weight, it's the first time. I would say, please avoid injury. Injury is the one thing that you want to avoid. If you can lift a certain weight, do not lift it. I would say, first look at the form, learn the form, and then you can always increase the weight, right? So that is your second exercise, goblet squat. And the third one is your upper body focuses on push-up shoulder touch. So basically, it's nothing but you do a push-up and a shoulder touch. Push-up, a shoulder touch. You just alternate. Let's say if you're unable to do a push-up, you just put your knees down and then do a push-up, shoulder touch. Push-up, shoulder touch. You don't need to be all the way your legs up. No, you can always use your knees to support. Okay, that's your third exercise. And your fourth one is lunges and weight. So basically, what we do is you do forward lunge with weight. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4. It's a forward lunge with weight. And let's say in case if you don't want to let's say if you don't want to use the weight, you can use empty hands. And let's say you cannot do lunges, right? At the space itself, you can kind of as much as you can go down. Or put your leg to half a lunge, or you can also pulse if you want, right? This is for people who cannot go all the way down. You can just use pulse method, right? But alternate the legs. Even in the lunges when you have weight, you alternate, go front and back. I'll be working out as it goes, but I'm just going to tell you guys, okay? So we can get started. Any questions? This is the circuit. So basically we'll do 4 exercises and 3 rounds. So basically after each exercise, you get a 30-second break. Okay, 45-second we can continue. So 45-second each exercises. So either you can go all the 45 seconds, or let's say you did 10 lunges and you're done. You can take a break. That's not a problem. But if you can go 15 or 30, just go for it. Okay. But if you had to stop in between, take a break, longer break, that's fine. Okay. So basically 4 exercises, each of the exercises is 45 seconds. After every 45 seconds, you get a 30-second break. Okay. So let me just start the timer. Okay. So first one is bent over row. Okay, let's go ahead and start.
Okay. Get 30-second break. Next is the goblet squat. So goblet squat, take your dumbbell, hold it up. 3, 2, 1, go. Make sure you do a squat, not bend. Don't put your body in the front. Always do a squat, your butt in the back. Always your butt should be on the back. Yeah. Focus on that. As low as you can. You can go. Go. Don't ever bend in the front. Yeah. 30-second break. Second exercise is done. Third one is push up, shoulder touch. Okay. Either on your knee, or if you want to do other actual push up and shoulder touch, left up to you. Okay. 3, 2, 1, go. Do as much as you can. Break. It's lunges. Alternative legs, lunges. Okay. You can do with weights, without weights. Three, 2, 1, go. Front lunges, not back. So basically you put one leg ahead, go down, come up. So this is focusing on your lower body. Earlier one. So alternate. One upper body, one lower body. So that's how the circuit is working. Okay, done. So 30-second break. So this is one round. We have 2 more rounds to go. Come on, quickly drink some water. Go ahead and do that. 2 more rounds to go. So let's start with the bent over row. Okay, let's go. Bent over row. Still 13 seconds left. Students, if you've done already, it's okay. Three, two, one, break. That's it. So let's start the goblet squat. Five, four, three, two, one, go. Make sure you don't put your weight in the front. It should be a squat. No bending like this. Won't help. Just do the squat. Seven, 6, 3, 2, 1, break. Next one is push up, shoulder touch. Alternate your hands. You know, use this. You can put your knees if you want. Go lower as possible. Put your knees down, yeah. Put your knees down. If you want to go lower, put your knees down and then go if you're unable to do the push-ups. Yeah, if you could show the whole body when you're working out, it'll be good. I can give you some feedback.
Can you show me the shoulder touch of modified?
Okay, hold on, I'll pause it. Okay, basically, you put your knees down. Okay, not up, knees down, and then do the shoulder touch. That's the modified version. Okay. Okay. Leg lunges with weights or without. Okay, let's start. Basically, forward lunge. You can either use weights or without weights. One step, go down, go down. If you want, I'll show you on the side pose. Here you go. 1, 2. But make sure you don't hurt your knee. Don't bounce your knee. So, go ahead and start it. Good. Still good. 15 more seconds left. Yeah, that's good. That's right, Ramnath. Kishore, you're doing also good. I can't see the full picture of the rest of you. A lot of people don't have the camera. So, yeah, either move away. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, correct. Meenakshi, that's correct. Yeah, I think Anay, that also is. Okay, that's good. Okay, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, so guys want to
quick water break, you can take it. This is the third round and final round, and we're going to go really fast. And you got to be rigorous. No stopping in between. Push yourself completely. After this, we have something called finisher. I'll explain to you when we come to that. But this is the last part of the circuit. Usually we go 4 or 5 rounds, but I know it's beginner, first time. Let's do only 3 rounds. Okay? Take a quick break. We'll come back in 15 seconds, and then we'll do the last round without stop. Okay, let's start in like 5 seconds. Okay, 5, bent over row. Okay, start, bend over row. Break, 30 seconds. Break. Okay, 10 seconds. Next one is goblet squat. Okay, 1, go. Squat, no bending in the front. Twenty seconds left. No stopping, no giving up. Last round. 8 seconds. Thirty-second break. Push up, touch coming up. 19 seconds. Five, 4, 3, 2, 1. Push up, touch, push up, touch, push up, touch, push up, touch, push up, touch. Don't give up. At least keep yourself on the knee. Don't give up. 11 seconds left. Okay. This is the last exercise in the circuit. Take a break. We're going to do lunges.
in 13 seconds. 4, 3, 2, 1. Lunges. Front lunges. Don't bend your. Make sure you keep your back straight. At least do 12 to 15 of them. 15 seconds left. Done. Woo. Circuit is done. Take a quick water break. Okay, great guys. Basically, do a warm up, mobility, circuit, upper body, lower body. What's left is the finisher, and this is going to focus on your core and fat burning. Your body is completely warm right now. Probably about 70-80% of your heart rate is about 70-80% now. So anything you work out now, will go straight away for your fat loss. Okay, so this is a finisher. It's going to be quick. It's going to focus only on aerobic. Okay, cardio, basically cardio. This is going to be. Okay, so let's go in 10 seconds. Okay, so I'll explain to you what the finisher is going to be. There's basically two exercises. One is mountain climbers and second is the skaters. Okay, so 30 seconds each. Okay, and we're going to go each one for at least 3 rounds. 3 rounds of mountain climbers, 3 rounds of skaters. Usually you go for 5, but again, it's the first class. Let's take it easy. So 3 plus 3. 30 seconds mountain climbers, 30 seconds skaters. And there's no break in between. You got to keep jumping. Or maybe I'll give you like 15-second break. So why don't we do that? So mountain climber, 15-second break. And then skaters, 15-second break. Okay, I'll just set the timer. Okay, 15-second break. Okay, let's go ahead and start. Okay, let me show you what is mountain climber and skater. Okay, so mountain climber is basically same level as your shoulder. Put your body, and then you got to move your legs like climbing a mountain. Okay, continuously this goes. So no stopping. So this is going to focus on your hips, your core. Okay, let's start, and then let me show you how the skaters are, and then there's 2 ways you can do skaters. So basically go 1, 2, 3, 4. Basically go your right, your left back, and your left hand down. Left, your right leg back, and your right leg down. Okay, this is what it is. I'll do as it goes. Let's start now. Okay. Okay, let's start. 3, 1, go. Mountain climbers. 1, 2. Halfway through. Seven, 6, 3, 2, 1. 15-second break. Start the skaters. Good. 1,
Halfway. 10 seconds left. Break. 15 seconds break. Mountain break. Mountain climber. Come on. You can do it. Make sure your hands are straight as your shoulders. Yeah, good job, Ramnath. 15-second break. Break, 15 seconds. Two, one, skaters. If you can't go all the way, just do tap, 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 or go bottom, whatever is comfortable. 2 rounds done, 15-second break. Last round. Three, two, one, go. Full. Don't stop. This is the last exercise. Don't stop. Push yourself. Push yourself. 8 seconds left. 3, 2, 1. 15-second break in the last exercise for the day. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go. Great job. Done for today.
Thank you so much. Are we doing cool down?
If you want, you can do cool down. But basically, that's what is the workout for today. How do you guys feel?
That was a good one.
Are you guys sweating or no?
Yeah. Lot of sweat for the first time.
Lot of sweat.
Yeah, that's the way to go. And it's warm also.
Without waiting, I got lot of sweat. Yeah, I'm assuming how we
Thanks for your time.
I hope you.
Last one was too good. Skaters.
Skaters is good. You liked it?
Sabrina, that's one of my favorite.
Oh.
Yeah.
Like,
So basically, finisher is actually after the circuit, you're almost done. But that's what this is like icing on the cake finisher, I would say, where you quickly burn those 100 calories, 150 calories. You just quickly burn them.
Yeah, thank you, Sunil. Are you planning
Okay.
to take every Sunday?
Yeah, I'll just basically see the pulse at least, and once I can do Sundays. I probably I'll move to the morning. Today I could not do it. I don't know if you guys are okay. Like something like 7:30 to 8:30 in the morning is what I'm thinking. Yeah. So from next week probably I'll push it to the morning. It's better. Weather will be better. It won't be warm, and also
Yeah.
you'll get done with the exercise in the morning.
Right.
For us, better to keep evenings. Yeah, it's
Evening.
okay. And I will do it in the evening if I am
Yeah.
unable to morning.
Yeah,
Clear.
we'll have. I'll try to record it and share it. Okay.
Thank you.
Yeah, go ahead and you guys, whenever your time it's feasible, you can do that. That's fine. So at least I'll keep once a week, maybe Sunday morning, if that's okay with you guys.
That will be great.
Okay. Okay. Nice.
Thank
Thank
you.
you.
Thank you.
Glad you guys enjoy. Bye.
Thank you. Bye.
Thank you.
Bye.